Hey there, tired parents. I'm going to describe a scenario, and I want you to tell me if it sounds familiar. You've spent 40 minutes rocking, bouncing, and shushing. Your back hurts, your coffee is cold, and finally, the eyes close. You ninja crawl out of the room, sit down, and wah! 30 minutes on the dot. The dreaded crap nap. If you are living in a cycle of overtired babies and catnap chaos, I have something that's going to change your afternoon. Today we're talking about a game changer, the 30-minute infant sleep routine quick guide. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't have time to read a 300-page manual on sleep science. You're right, you don't. This isn't that. This is a one-page, step-by-step framework designed to bridge the gap between playtime energy and deep sleep effortlessly. Let's break down what's inside this guide that makes it so effective. Segment 1, the secret sauce. First up, the 30-minute countdown. This is a minute-by-minute breakdown of exactly what to do from the moment you walk into the nursery until the lights go out. No more guessing games. But it's not just about timing, it's about biology. The guide introduces the cave effect. We're talking about the science of darkness, temperature, and white noise to trigger that sweet melatonin. And for those of you with babies who fight the swaddle or find it hard to settle, the soothing ladder. It's a gentle, tiered approach to calming a fussy baby. You don't have to jump to intense interventions. You just climb the ladder until they're relaxed. Segment 2, why this matters for you. Beyond the baby, let's talk about you. When you move away from the catnap cycle, you're not just helping your baby's nervous system regulate, you're reclaiming your me time. Imagine being able to hand a single sheet of paper to a grandparent or a nanny and saying, "Here is the standard operating procedure." Consistency is the enemy of the cortisol spike, and this guide provides that predictability. Segment 3, the FAQ, the no-cry zone. Now, I hear you asking the big question, is this going to involve cry it out? Short answer, no. This guide isn't about leaving your baby to figure it out alone. It's about supportive, gentle cues that tell their body, hey, it's time to rest. It's perfect for infants aged 3 to 18 months, and most parents see a massive drop in bedtime battles within just 3 to 7 days. Stop dreading the nap time struggle. Give your baby the gift of restorative rest and give yourself the break you actually deserve. You can grab the 30-minute infant sleep routine quick guide today. It's one page, it's expert-backed, and it's your ticket to a peaceful afternoon. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Thanks for listening. Go get some sleep.